Hi friends, this is Millian. Now I'm in the workshop to take you have a look at our orders in the workshop. This is our 3 components polyurethane elastomer casting machine. It's for TDI mocha systems. Then next to this machine, we can have a look at another type of 3 components machine. This one is for MDI systems. Now this is our update design. I will go the upstairs to take you have a look at the ABC components. Our new machines have the stairs too easy for your workers to up and down to check the machine tank working process. This is ABC 3 components. A, B for pre-polymer and the C tank for your curry agent. Like this one is specially designed for BDO. It with the mixing and the vacuum system. This is our new update for vacuum system to protecting your pump. If you need any machine solutions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.